talking's too much fun. Overconfident and non-stop noisy. I'm the one who gossips over high tea. I'm the parrot, I'm the babbler, I'm the crow. Woo!
I'm the peacock, stunning work of beauty. Handsome peacock, always taking selfies. I'm India's star on Instagram. I'm shockingly trendy, yes I am.
Buds, 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 it's so nice to meet you. Buds, 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 let me come and greet you.
You shine so bright, you steal my light.
I'm certain we'll soon have a fight.
Buds, 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 it's so nice to meet you. Buds, 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 let us come and greet you.
That's too much, you talk and talk. At least I'm brave and bold. I'm a chicken full of fear. One thing wrong and I flood tears. I'm your baby, scary little fear, and follow blindly, listening to all men. I'm the kite, a flying sight. Love to